Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we jump into our first sewing project, I figured I would tell you guys a little bit about how to pick a sewing machine. I've had people reach out to me before and ask me like, how do I know if a sewing machine is going to be good? So I figured I would address that now. So some of my favorite places to find sewing machines, there's a great one on Amazon that I use. It's called the Brother CS 6000i. And I really like it. I'm not affiliated with Brother, but I think their machines are really easy to use. This one's computerized, and it does everything that I need it to do. It has a ton of stitches. It comes with a ton of little extras and things like that. So you can sew zippers, you can sew stretchy material, you can sew quilts, you can do a lot of stuff on it. It's not like a heavy duty machine. So if you want to sew like, you know, thick layers of jeans or leather or something like that, I'm not sure that it's the best machine for that. But for just like a general all-purpose sewing machine, they're generally in like the, you know, 140 to 180 range. But they do, like, their prices fluctuate. Sometimes there's like Black Friday sales and stuff like that. Another great place to look for sewing machines is either at the Thrift Shop or Facebook Marketplace or any of those like Craigslist or whatever. There are so many people who have sewing machines that don't know what to do with them. And there's so many people who, like, you know, get given sewing machines or inherit sewing machines or whatever. So like I just did a quick search and, you know, within a couple miles of my house, there's a like new Singer sewing machine for 60 bucks. You know, so you want to make sure that it comes with like the pedal, because the pedal is what you need to make it run. And you want to make sure that it comes with like the little doodads, this is and that's it. You want to make sure that it comes with all the accessories that it was sold with originally, just so you don't have to like spend a bunch of money getting all the accessories that you need to actually be able to like use the machine in the first place. What I would probably do is look on Facebook Marketplace and then you know, get the names and serial numbers of the machines and just double check on Amazon, like what's the price comparison. But I think for less than $100, you can get a great used machine. One of my friends, she sews, and she found a used machine at the thrift shop for like less than $20, and it was all complete. It was like still in its box. I think she said it smelled like it had been through a house fire or something like that. So if you're looking for a good cheap machine, Facebook Marketplace, thrift shops. You can also just ask your friends. A lot of people have sewing machines just sitting around in their houses that they're not using. Oftentimes people will let you use them because they don't know what they're doing with the machine anyway. And so it's just sitting on a shelf somewhere. Lastly, I have bought sewing machines at Costco. So like at one point we traveled for business and we ended up being away from home for like 8 months. So I bought a sewing machine at Costco. It was like $100 or something like that. And I ended up shipping it back home so that I could use it at home because I really liked it. I started out with a Brother sewing machine, so I tend to pick Brother sewing machines because they all sort of work the same. They have similar, you know, buttons and things. So like if you're familiar with Singer, maybe you should stick with Singer or, you know, some other brand, just so you don't have to like relearn how to use a new machine. So anyway, if you have a machine and you love it, drop the name in the comments below. I will put links to the ones that I talked about in the description below. So make sure that you have a sewing machine ready to go. We're gonna jump into the first project that we're gonna do, which I will announce in the next video. Okay, thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye.